There's a quiet panic rippling through the premium street photography community right now, an underlying tension born out of both desperation and sheer disbelief, because for over 3 long years, purists have been forced to look at a gaping, empty void in the rangefinder market. Ever since the legendary Fujifilm X-Pro 3 was quietly discontinued, leaving behind a wake of broken hearts, heated foreign debates, and skyrocketing used market prices, the question hasn't just been when we would see a successor, but if we would ever see one at all. Fujifilm has spent recent memory absolutely dominating the mainstream market with massive, blockbuster releases like the viral X106 and the powerhouse X-T5, leaving many to wonder if they had simply outgrown their most artistic, niche, and uncompromising camera lineup. But behind closed doors, deep within the engineering labs, something remarkable has been happening, and a wave of massive internal roadmap leaks, component supply chain whispers, and retail database filings from key global markets has blown the doors wide open on what is officially shaping up to be the most ambitious, tech-heavy, and fiercely debated digital rangefinder ever conceived. This is the moment everything changes for street photographers, documentary filmmakers, and everyday purists who demand full-frame performance trapped inside a classic body, because the veil has officially been lifted on the highly anticipated Fujifilm X-Pro 4. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. To truly understand why the absolute explosion of leaks surrounding the upcoming Fujifilm X-Pro 4 has sent shockwaves through the global photographic landscape, you have to understand the deeply chaotic history and the polarizing legacy of the camera that came before it. The older X-Pro 3 was not just a piece of technology. It was a radical, unapologetic artistic statement that deliberately challenged the entire philosophy of modern digital camera design by introducing a hidden rear LCD screen that forced you to close it up and shoot blindly, relying entirely on your instincts and a tiny ink tile displaying your chosen film simulation. It was a design choice that passionately divided the community into two fierce factions, where one side hailed it as a stroke of pure analog genius that completely cured digital distraction, while the other side condemned it as an ergonomic nightmare that alienated hybrid creators and commercial shooters alike. Now, according to explosive retail leaks and verified supply chain component manifest surfacing out of major distribution channels, Fujifilm has officially decided to address this massive design controversy head-on by executing a complete structural overhaul of the physical body. The brand new leaks confirm that the company is permanently ditching the highly divisive hidden flip-down screen of the past and is instead engineering a revolutionary, ultra-low-profile, three-way, tilting flush LCD display for the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. This engineering breakthrough means that when the screen is pushed flat against the magnesium chassis, it sits completely flush with zero unsightly bulges or protruding hinges, maintaining that sleek, uninterrupted, classic analog rangefinder aesthetic that purists absolutely demand. Yet, with a gentle pull from the side or bottom, the mechanism articulates smoothly across three distinct axes, allowing street photographers to effortlessly shoot from the hip, capture low-angle vertical framing with ease, and monitor their compositions seamlessly without destroying the classic silhouette of the camera. It is an absolute masterclass in compromise, designed to win back the thousands of creators who skipped the previous generation while still keeping the physical distractions to an absolute minimum, ensuring that the act of photography remains pure, deliberate, and deeply immersive. But the physical transformation of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 goes exponentially deeper than just a redesigned rear display, as internal engineering blueprints reveal a profound mechanical and structural evolution that aims to solve one of the longest-running technical limitations of the rangefinder form factor. For years, the single biggest engineering hurdle preventing Fujifilm from turning this lineup into an absolute, go-anywhere flagship powerhouse was the complete absence of stabilization, because jamming a physical, sensor-shifting mechanism inside an incredibly cramped, slim rangefinder body without dramatically ballooning the camera's external dimensions, was widely considered an architectural impossibility. However, highly reliable component supply leaks have now officially confirmed that Fujifilm has successfully designed a completely bespoke, ultra-miniaturized in-body image stabilization system specifically tailored for the unique interior chassis of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. This custom-built IBIS module is a marvel of modern microengineering, utilizing state-of-the-art magnetic actuators and highly sensitive gyrosensors to deliver an astonishing 7 to 8 stops of physical stabilization directly at the sensor level. This is an absolute game-changer that fundamentally redefines the operational boundaries of low-light street photography and handheld documentary filmmaking, because it means you can now confidently walk through the dimly lit, neon-soaked streets of Tokyo, New York, or London at midnight, hand-holding shutter speeds as slow as half a second or a full second, and achieve critically sharp, tack-smooth images without ever needing to carry a heavy, intrusive tripod. For the hybrid creator, this stabilized foundation elevates the camera from a beautiful, niche photographic tool into an incredibly potent, run-and-gun cinematic weapon, eliminating micro-jitters entirely and allowing for buttery, organic, handheld tracking shots that mirror the human eye.